Hello, and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Brian Haug, and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. The FDA recently approved Endo International and Par Pharmaceuticals' new drug application for its 50 milligram per milliliter ephedrine sulfate injection. The drug, a parenterally administered pressor agent, is indicated for the treatment of clinically important hypotension in surgery. Adverse events associated with the use of ephedrine sulfate include nausea, vomiting, and tachycardia. The FDA also warned that the concomitant use of the medication with oxytocic drugs could result in pressor effects and that repeated administration could lead to tachyphylaxis. Par Pharmaceuticals plans to launch the injection as packaged cartons of 25 single-use vials in February 2017. The FDA has approved Teva's newest asthma treatment for adolescent and adult patients. AirDuo RespiClick is delivered via Teva's RespiClick breath-activated multi-dose dry powder and is indicated for the treatment of asthma in patients 12 years and older. AirDuo RespiClick, a corticosteroid and long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonist, is a fixed-dose combination product with the same active ingredients as Advair. The treatment was approved in 3 strengths, 55, 113, or 232 over 14 micrograms, and is administered twice daily. The FDA's approval is based on data from a clinical trial in which the treatment showed greater effectiveness in improving lung function compared with a placebo in adolescent and adult patients. The product is expected to be available by prescription in the U.S. market later this year. Pharmacists may receive more questions about Movantik for treating opioid-induced constipation, or OIC, because of a commercial that's been airing lately. The spot features Frank, a construction worker who sheepishly admits that he suffers from OIC. The commercial highlights how embarrassing the condition can be, and Frank recalls how when he finally asked his doctor about it, she asked, "How long have you been holding this in?" This, Frank says with a chuckle, was his Movantik moment, and the drug has helped his symptoms since he was finally able to openly discuss the condition with his doctor. Finally, officials from Sanofi Pasteur, the vaccine division of Sanofi, announced the availability of their new pediatric vaccine formulation in the United States. Quadricel, diphtheria and tetanus toxoids, and acellular pertussis adsorbed and inactivated poliovirus, or DTaP-IPV, is indicated for active immunization against diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, and poliomyelitis in children ages 4 to 6 years old. Quadricel provides both the CDC-recommended 5th dose of DTaP vaccine series and 4th dose of inactivated poliovirus vaccine series in a single shot for children who have begun their immunizations with Pentacel. A small risk of allergic reactions is associated with the vaccine. Other adverse effects include redness, swelling, tenderness at the injection site, fever, fussiness, and abnormal crying. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Brian Haug at the Pharmacy Times News Network.